Morning, children. I hope you are fine and safe at home. Today, we are going to learn our first lesson, True Friends. Being at home, do you feel bored? Don't worry, I am going to tell you a very interesting story. Please listen to me carefully till the end. I will ask you some questions from this story. Shall we begin? There was a very big forest. Shall we keep a name for the forest? Let's keep a name for the forest, Chamba. A lion was a king of the forest. Let's name him Jindan. And he had two best friends as you have in the class. Let's keep name for both of them. I keep first one Jackal and the other one is Wolf. They followed Jindan wherever he went. Who is Jindan? He is the king of the forest, the lion. One day morning, when they were walking together in the forest, they found a very beautiful and cute baby camel. Since it was so cute, the king Jindan was unable to leave baby camel there. So he took him to his den. What is the meaning of den? Here, the meaning is shelter of the lion. Afterwards, the king was taking care of the baby camel completely. As the time passes, the baby camel also grew faster and he became young camel and also very good friend of the lion Jindan. Now the young camel lived in the forest without any fear and enjoyed staying with the lion. And the lion also had a special affection for the camel. What is the meaning of affection? The meaning is a moderate feeling or emotion. On the other side was the jackal and the wolf did not like it. They both were very jealous of the young camel. So they wanted to kill camel, but they both were unable to kill camel because they are afraid of the lion Jindan. But they were waiting for the chance. Afterwards, one day, the king lion fell into the ditch. The young camel helped him to come out of the ditch. But unfortunately, the lion got hurt very badly. Afterwards, the lion was unable to run fast and hunt animals. What is the meaning of hunt? The meaning is to pursue for food. Since 3 days the lion did not eat anything and he felt very hungry. So he called his three friends, Jackal, Wolf, and the young camel, to bring something for him to eat. Then three of them went away to search something for the lion to eat in the forest. What is the meaning of search? The meaning is to examine in seeking something. They wandered in the forest till the evening, but they could not catch any animal for the king. In the meantime, the jackal and the wolf planned something. Then three of them came back to the den of Jindan with empty handed. But the Jindan was very hungry. First the jackal said, "Oh dear king, we are very sorry. We could not bring anything for you to eat. So please kill and eat me." Then Jindan replied, "I have not eaten a jackal so far, and I don't like your flesh. Afterwards, the wolf said, O king, if you don't like the flesh of jackal, please kill and eat me. I cannot see you laying hungry. Then the Lion King replied that he did not like to eat wolf's flesh also. By this time, the young camel was watching all this, and he thought that that was his turn to say. In the meantime, Jackal and Wolf was waiting to listen what the camel was going to say. The camel said, Oh dear master, you may not like jackal and wolf, but you will eat the flesh of camel. So please kill and eat me. Dear children, we listened many times flesh word. What is the meaning of it? The meaning is consisting of muscle and fat that is found between the skin and bones of a human or an animal. Come on, let's continue the story. By this time, the king lion kept quiet, did not say anything for a moment. The wolf and the jackal were waiting for this chance. They both were eager to kill camel. So they jumped upon the camel to kill him. When the king lion saw all this, he understood that they wanted to get rid of the camel. Then immediately he roared at them and said, Don't think you can fool me. I can understand your trick. Then the jackal and wolf got fear and ran away from the place. Finally, the true friends stayed there. Who are the true friends? The king lion and the camel. Yes, dear children, we should not jealous of anything or anybody. We should be happy with what we have. So enjoy with what you have. Thank you.